Hello everybody, I'm Prerna here. Welcome back to my channel Mocktail Beauties 2017. And today we are preparing Kayi Obbattu or coconut Obbattu. It is also called uh, Poli in Tamil. So the ingredients are fresh grated coconut, jaggery. Jaggery and coconut are 2:2 ratio. Some maida. Have added some turmeric powder on this. Gingerly oil I have taken because it enhances the taste of Obbattu. Some salt, water, and some cardamom powder. Let's take a pan. So let's switch on the flame. Let's add in jaggery. I have added jaggery as it is. And not added any water. Let's keep it in low flame or medium. If you want, you can just sprinkle some water in this. If your jaggery is little thick, if you have grated your jaggery thick, you can add little water. So now the jaggery is already started melting. Here you can see. Let's leave it in low flame for around 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, so that the jaggery gets melt. So I have come again to stir this in between. You can see the jaggery has melted. I just sprinkled some water before. Just sprinkle a few drops, not more. So now the jaggery syrup is ready. Just check if you have left any, if you can see any jaggery in between. Now let's add in coconut. This is fresh grated coconut. Let's mix this to a thick consistency. To the consistency so that it should form a ball. Let this mixture get thickened. For this, let's add in cardamom powder. Let's mix this. Let's cook this mixture till the mixture gets thick. Now this mixture is ready. It has become thick now. Let us leave this to cool down. It should cool down completely. So now let's knead the dough. So you can see I have added the maida flour in this, and I have little turmeric powder. Let's add a little salt. Let's add in water, little by little. And knead this to a sticky dough. So this is how the dough looks now. It's very sticky type dough. So in this, let's add in oil. I'm adding gingerly oil in this. Let's knead this. So let's leave this dough like this. Let this dough soak oil nicely. So let us leave this to soak for around 20 minutes. So now this has been nicely soaked. Now let's make small balls in this. And let's make so we'll make this coconut mixture balls also. Something like this. Please avoid background sounds. So now let's roll this. So for rolling, I have taken a plastic cover, something like this. This is a thick plastic cover. If you prefer rolling it with just like roti, chapati, you can use for dusting. You can use rice flour and corn flour. That will be better for rolling. Please don't use maida or wheat flour for rolling. I normally prefer rice flour and corn flour for rolling the Obbattu. So now I have applied oil to the base of the cover. Let's take this portion, spread it like this. I'll just reduce the quantity of this. Okay. Let's keep coconut mixture inside. let's cover it completely. I'm adding oil to the other side also. Other side of now. Let's tap it like this. Now cover it like this and take the rolling pin and roll it. Sorry. I'm using plastic cover. You can prefer rolling it like chapati also, dusting flour and rolling it. I prefer this method. So now this is ready, as you can see. Now let's switch on the flame. See, it has come very thin. Let's remove this slowly, like this. Okay. So now our tawa is heat up. Let's put Obbattu. Let's cook this evenly to both the sides. Let's turn this and add oil. I'm using gingerly oil that it gives different flavor. You can add gingerly oil or sesame oil for this. Cook this in medium flame. Let's add in some more oil. Now this is ready. Let's serve this. So guys, now we can see Tenga Obbattu, Tenga Poli or Kayi Obbattu is ready. You can serve this with ghee. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this. If you have any doubts regarding this video, don't forget to comment it down below. Don't forget to subscribe my video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you and happy Pongal.